The physical rotating bezel is being reintroduced to the Galaxy Watch series by Samsung during the Unpacked presentation. The health-related functions that I've been requesting on a Samsung watch for years are also coming, along with thinner bezels. The Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are the two Galaxy Watch 6 models that will be available this year. The bezels of the standard Watch 6 are also becoming noticeably thinner, which will make it seem more attractive. They are both going thinner. Today marks the first time that the Watch 6 Classic, as it now looks, has been seen in the real world. In an airport, the Watch 6 Classic was seen on a South Korean football star by the name of Son Heung-min. You can see that it has a bigger display than Samsung's existing Galaxy Watch models, as well as tiny bezels and an overall thinner profile. And let's not forget that the rotating bezel is back after being absent from the Watch 5 Pro the previous year. As opposed to earlier Galaxy watches, which required manual measurement, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic will both be able to assess atrial fibrillation at all times. Since a fib may also be asymptomatic, which means you might not be aware that anything is wrong, this essentially detects abnormal heartbeats automatically and will alert you if you require medical treatment. As a result, it will save lives. I believe a speedier chip is a much-needed update that the Watch 6 is receiving as well. I have both the Watch 4 Classic and the Apple Watch, and it is evident that the Apple Watch is much more responsive. This may be due to optimization or a superior processor. There is undoubtedly a need for either a faster chip or greater optimization, as the Watch 5 Pro and Watch 4 Classic share the same chip. Thankfully, Samsung is providing us with a speedier chip in the Watch 6 that might solve all of those issues. It's possible to save money by buying a used car. You may earn a $50 credit to use on the watch or the upcoming foldables by just entering your name and email without having to purchase anything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.